In this lab, you will learn how to use a micropipette in a virtual setting. And to do that, I want that you go to this website and you will see this virtual lab. And I know that you already watched this lab exchange video, so please, if you haven't watched it, go back and watch that one. To start the simulation, you just have to go and click here and it will start the simulation. Then select this option 1 and again start simulation. Then you will have to go through all these different sections of the lab, and each one of these one you have to read what is here. So for example, they give you this information and they teach you all these different things. Pay a lot of attention to that, take notes, because there will be a quiz at the end of this lab. Check here, for example, in the material, the different reagents. Make sure to understand that every pipette has a different size and as a result have a different box with the tips. And so there are different sizes and all of them will be color coded. Read this about the prediction and you will have to use this. You will learn how to change the quantity in the pipette and you will do it virtually here. Now to start the lab, you have to go here to the protocol, to the 4 section. And it's very simple. You just have to read what they said to you. So for example, here they said select the P20 micropipette. You go click here. And that's all. When you click there, then you go to the next step. So for example, here they say select the volume setting to set the volume to 20 microliters and then select this, to save volume. So go here, click here. So here in this virtual environment, this section will, if you click here, you will reduce the amount of volume that you have in the pipette, and here you will increase. Here you will see the changes, and for example, you have to check is this 20 or if this is only 2 microliters, and you might made a mistake. Do it again and check which one is the right one. Remember, here you reset if you made a mistake, and here at the end you have to save the volume, and then you can move to the next step. So I'm not going to go through all the steps, but one that is important is when you pipette the red dye and you have to put it here, and here they will tell you how much you actually transfer, and they will tell you transfer 4 or transfer 2, and this is the thing that I'm going to grade, that you do it well, and you can do it multiple times to practice until you do it right. And I want that you send me this. So in the beginning it starts like this, then these are my results. So for example, I was supposed to put 20, I put only 4. So if you see here, I made a mistake. Here I was supposed to put 15, I only put 2. And here in all of them I made mistakes because it was the first time that I did it. So if you made a mistake, you just go again and redo the lab until you understand very well what you're doing, and then you send me this screenshot showing me that you did that you have all of them correct. Then you can also send me this. For example, they show you which mistakes that you make. I want that you send me that all you didn't make any mistake, so you can redo the lab to practice what you do. And at the end, again, there will be a small quiz